the gold beneath our feet. The ground shook beneath us that morning. It wasn't an earthquake, but the sound of machines, big ones, tearing into the earth, the kind we had only seen in pictures. They came with trucks, maps, and hard hats. By midday, they were digging. We had always known our land was special. The soil was red and rich, and the river sparkled in the sun like a line of stars. Some of the elders whispered about gold, but we didn't care much. We were farmers and fishers. Our wealth was the land, the food it gave us, and the laughter of our children. Then the strangers came. At first they were kind, asking questions and giving smiles that didn't reach their eyes. They promised jobs in schools, said they wanted to help us. But soon, they weren't asking, they were taking. The Change Our River turned brown, heavy with mud and poison. The fish died first. Then the crops stopped growing. The elders begged the men in suits to stop, but they only said, "This is progress." Progress for who, we wondered. Some of us took the jobs they offered, but the pay was small and the work was hard. Others left, hoping to find a better life elsewhere. We stayed watching as our land changed into something we no longer recognized. The fight one day, a group of young people from our village decided they had enough. They stood in front of the machines holding signs made from old sacks. "This is our home," they shouted. The men in hard hats laughed. The police came with sticks and shields, chasing them away, but they didn't stop. Every week they marched, and their voices grew louder. Soon other villages joined. We began to remember what we had forgotten, that this land is ours. The cost. The protests caught the attention of people far away. Reporters came with cameras, asking us questions. The men in suits started to look nervous. But it wasn't easy. Some of our brothers and sisters disappeared in the night. Others came back with bruises and broken spirits. Still, we kept going. Not for ourselves, but for our children and the land they would inherit.